John Lennon and Paul McCartney's partnership was legendary, but their relationship was often fraught with tension. Lennon later admitted that he regretted placing so much trust in McCartney, yet their creative synergy led to some of the most iconic songs of the 1960s, not just for the Beatles, but for other artists as well. From I Wanna Be Your Man for the Rolling Stones to Come and Get It for Badfinger and A World Without Love for Peter and Gordon, their influence extended far beyond their own discography. Their manager, Brian Epstein, capitalized on their songwriting prowess, encouraging them to either compose fresh material or pass along songs they had set aside. Among the many artists who benefited from this arrangement was Billy J. Kramer and the Dakotas, hailing from Liverpool. Lennon once shared in a 1980 interview with Playboy that he had written Bad to Me while vacationing in Spain with Epstein. He recalled being deeply immersed in the mindset of a songwriter, constantly thinking about music and crafting lyrics as he danced or nursed a hangover. The song, which was ultimately recorded by Billy J. Kramer with the Dakotas, held a special significance for Lennon. He reflected on its origins, noting that it predated the Beatles entirely. In his mind, it was an early attempt at a blues song, and although it had been written long before their rise to fame, he later added a middle eight section to make it complete for release. Lennon also revealed that Bad to Me had initially been considered as the theme song for A Hard Day's Night, the Beatles' first feature film. However, plans changed, and the track instead appeared on the April 1964 American release of the Beatles' second album, and the UK EP Long Tall Sally in June of the same year. McCartney later reflected on their collaboration, acknowledging that while they had both worked on the song, the concept had been Lennon's. As he revisited the lyrics, he admitted that some lines made him pause and reconsider their meaning, wondering if they contained deeper, unintended emotions. He recalled that at the time, they were just two young men focused on writing songs, never stopping to analyze the underlying messages. Back then, you didn't look too deeply into it. It was only later that you started dissecting the meaning behind the words, he admitted. Though Bad to Me became a hit for Billy J. Kramer, its origins as one of Lennon's earliest compositions remain a testament to the untapped depths of his songwriting genius, long before the Beatles conquered the world.